Hi there, this is Edwin Serrano, owner of Home Pros Painting, coming to you with another Take a Minute to Get It topic. We use caulking on all of our exterior painting and repair projects. Caulking really only has two purposes. One is to keep water out, and the other is to make things look smooth. That's it. So, if it's intended to keep water out, then it needs to be applied in areas where water can get behind the siding or trim and not every single space or gap on the house. For example, you would not need to caulk the bottom section of lap siding because there's no way water can get into the house. Now, having said this, if an existing gap or seam has pre-existing caulking, even if it really didn't need it, we will go ahead and re-caulk just to keep things looking smooth and even. As a standard practice, we will caulk nail heads, siding seams, cracks, gaps, and spaces, but keep in mind that if you already have good caulking in place, all we're doing is putting new caulking over good caulking, so it could make things look gooped up. Last thing is that we use Sherwin-Williams Powerhouse caulking for its ability to seal areas that have a lot of movement. Matter of fact, Powerhouse is in the top 5 of all sealants that Sherwin-Williams sells. If you need something better than Powerhouse, then you have some serious expansion issues on the house. Thanks.